How to understand Zipcar hourly versus daily rates. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. This is the official article of Zipcar. As it's written, hourly and daily rates. Most vehicles have hourly and daily rates which vary by day of the week. When booking a vehicle, the hourly rate will be charged up to daily rate of the vehicle, which is the maximum rate for a 24-hour period. Also, sometimes it will be cheaper to pay the daily rate versus the hourly rate. Also, even if you're booking a vehicle for less, make sure you avoid late fees. And if you scroll down, you will also find other fees. Here you'll find application and booking charges or cancellation according to hourly versus daily rates as well. And this is how to understand Zipcar hourly versus daily rates. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.